Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how did I improve my spoken English. So I'm going to tell you some ways which I applied, and the result is today I'm speaking English fluently and confidently. So the first thing, I just read lots of newspapers, lots of articles. I read many newspaper, and when I was reading, I was like speaking English. So basically, I want to say that when I used to read, I used to like speak English. The second thing, I watched many English videos, and I observed at the time that how they are pronouncing the word and how they are actually speaking the word. And the third one is I learned vocabulary, very good vocabulary, like idioms and phrases and all these kind of things, so that I can improve my English. So I have also learned many phrases, and the best thing, I found a very good company. I found very good people around me who were speaking in English. So the result, I practiced so much and I'm speaking fluently and confidently. And I also practiced pronunciation, and I improved my pronunciation. Like, I learned how to pronounce the difficult words as well. So if you all also want to improve your spoken English or speak English fluently and confidently, then you should apply some methods which I have also applied. Like, you can watch English videos, maybe native speakers or not, and you can search the good friends and colleagues who are already speaking in English. You can read something so that, like, you can practice like a speaking, and you can find new word meanings. So all these things which I have done, you can also apply and speak English fluently and confidently. So just do this. I will just recommend you, please speak more and more to become more fluent and with the good people who are already speaking very good English. Thank you for watching this video. Please apply all this method. Thank you so much.